Ryan, what do you want to say to your sponsor? Huh? Can you say hello? Hello. Hello, Ryan. Can you say thank you? Come on, you can talk. Say thank you.
I'm gonna thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Alone, you want to say something to your sponsor? Say hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? How are you?
How are you?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hope. What do you want to say to your sponsor? Can you say hello? And say thank you for all the gifts.
Thank you.
And how are you today? How are you? Hope? You're fine? How is school? Yeah. How old are you? 7 years. Thank you. Say bye to your sponsor. Bye. Patricia, what do you want to say to Elizabeth and her children?
Thank you for sponsoring me. I'm very happy to meet you, my friend. Bye.
And are you happy for all the gifts? Does she send you gifts in the mail? Yeah. What did she send you?
She sent for me soap and many others, but I do not get.
Yeah, you don't remember everything? Yeah, so many things. Okay, Justin, what do you want to say to your sponsor? What do you want to say to Elizabeth? Want to tell her thank you? And how old are you? 11. Okay. Okay, you want to say goodbye to your sponsor? Bye. Your turn.
I thank you for paying my school fees. I thank you for the gift you have sent for me. And gifts like clothes, pens, pencils, and the books. I'm 13 years old. Goodbye.
Did you have any questions for your sponsor? Any questions about where she lives or anything? She lives in Germany. No.
How old she is?
I think 45 maybe. And her children are 13 and 8. So, yeah. One boy and one girl. The girl is from Tanzania and the boy is from Nigeria. Yeah. And they like playing games, they like singing. Her daughter likes dancing. All of that. What things do you guys like to do?
I like reading books, singing, and playing football.
What do you like to do, Patricia?
Participating in the debate.
Debate, yeah. Okay, thank you. Everyone say bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, Alone.
Bye.
Bye, Ryan. Bye, Ryan. Thank you.